More Medic 1. Today's a good day. We're going to be reviewing this Harbor Freight motorcycle lift, and this thing is a hoss. It took two guys to put it in the back of the truck. As you can tell, this sucker, let me flip it back around here. It's almost 8 foot long. Comes crated really well. And I'm gonna get some straps here. We're gonna tie around it, and I'm gonna back it here in the shop and see if we can get this puppy unloaded. Here's some specs. I'm gonna get my four-wheeler moved out of the way. I've got a dead battery on it, so I'm just gonna shove the ATV jack under there, get it pulled out of the way, get these trimmers out of the way, and I'm going to use my gantry crane here and get it off of here real quick. Y'all bear with me. My plan is to get a couple of these toe straps and go around the crate right behind these, I guess they're just feet. There's one on that end and there's one on that end and one in the middle. If I can kind of, you know, get my strap set like this and go towards the middle so I can hook it to my hook, I'll tie a loop right here, and I think it'll work pretty good. So let's try it. If it don't, we'll come up with something different. But I know what y'all are thinking. More Medic, why don't you just bear hug that thing and get it out of there? Be done with it. Shoot, I can't lift 320 pounds. I might try it when I was 20, but not now. Sucks getting old, don't it? Man, I hope this isn't too sketchy. See if we can't just pull out from under it now. Talk about sketchy. Do not get around this thing. Let's go ahead and lower it down to the ground slowly. All right. I didn't even break a sweat. All right, so it's got a sticker here. It says heavier end, lighter end. So let's go ahead and knock this. Let's get that piece of wood knocked out there. I think we can just roll it right off of there. I guess it's going to be easier just to go ahead and pull it on off. It comes pretty much pre-assembled. The only thing we got to do is put the pedals on. Here's the, if you're going to use this for a motorcycle lift, here's your front wheel support. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing together and get this thing raised. I am so anxious to use this thing like it's unreal. Your actual foot pedal that raises it up and down, as you can tell, it's square tubing. It fits over the square bar here, and it's just a slip fit, and that's all it takes, because whenever you get done raising it, most of the time you want to just remove that to get it out of the way. The release bar, or the release pedal, goes here with that 10mm retaining bolt, and we'll tighten it up. This is going to be the ultimate push mower lift, in my opinion. I've been looking at this, I've measured it. I've been to Harbor Freight probably 20-30 times just contemplating whether I should shell out that, well, it's $3.99 if you don't have the coupon. And if you get the 25% coupon, it comes out to be $100 off plus tax, so about $324. So well worth it. Let's go ahead and get this thing pumped up. Get it pumped up, you have two height settings. You can put it in the highest setting, or it's got one more here. Go ahead and put it in the high one. Speed it all the way through, and you can let it down on that bar to get the weight off of the jack. And everything's, you know, I'm 6'1", so stuff is way down there to work on. So if I can get this thing at about britches height, it's going to be perfect. But yeah, a couple of things that I do want to go over though. If you're going to leave your jack in the up position like this for a while, I would highly recommend getting some jack oil on a rag. Keep that that ram on that jack lubricated, because it will rust, and that rust, whenever you let it down, will go down into the jack and cut those seals. Same way with the pump arm. In its natural state, that pump arm is going to be exposed, so I would definitely keep both the pump ram and the jack ram, you know, both of these lubricated so that they don't rust. And I think you'll be good for a long time. Lots of good reviews on these on Harbor Freight and on YouTube. But yeah, super stoked. So let's go ahead and get this thing let down. Pull your pin. Oops. Got to jack it up a little first. Still new at this, guys. I think what I'll do though, since this pin has a roll pin through it, I'm just gonna feed it in from this side. Would be quicker. So like this way. Tell you what, before I let it down, I'm gonna show you one other good feature that I'm gonna use this for. The ramp that it comes with is hinged, and it's almost the perfect height for, you know, most stock trucks. I'm not saying it, you know, you don't have much more higher and you can go. But on my truck, it's perfect just to be able to load and unload mowers without straining your back. The ramp is removable. It's just held on with 2 pins, as you can tell there. And it just kind of cams down and hangs there. I don't think they intend that to just hang like that. You can take it off when you're not using it, but it's stout enough. It'll sit there and hang, but don't be sitting on it or nothing, because you could actually bend it. Has a pair of floor levelers here. Screw this down to where it contacts the floor. My guess would just be in case your floor is a little unlevel. Plus it would get the weight off the front casters. They're all stainless steel, not stainless, but cast iron casters. And there's, of course, there's one on the other side right here that you can adjust as well. Hey guys, we're gonna put this table to some good use, and I'm gonna do another, an update video, something like that in the future, maybe a month, maybe a couple months, 6 months. Just depends on if I have any issues with it, and I will let you know for sure if we have any problems with this. I don't think we're gonna have it. One guy says he's had his for 12 years without a single problem. He had to put 1 O-ring in it in 12 years. So thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe, and if you after you subscribe, right to the right down there is going to be a little bell. Click that bell. It'll help you out tremendously because you'll get all my new videos. But anyway, y'all have a great day. More Medic 1.